Hey guys, it's Fix-It Freddy back with another plumbing puzzle. Today, we're tackling that crusty, sticky mess the culprit lurks in your faucet tip, faucet rust, and corrosion. Don't let the fancy name fool you. This little gizmo cleaning and cleanliness of your kitchen faucet plays a big role. But when it's off, things can get, well, messy. Don't worry though, because in this video, we break down everything you need to know removing and refreshing your kitchen faucet, rust and corrosion, no matter the brand or grime. Factors such as water quality, exposure to harsh chemicals, and the material of the faucet can all contribute to rust and corrosion. Hard water, which contains high levels of minerals like calcium and magnesium, can accelerate corrosion by depositing mineral buildup on faucet surfaces. Additionally, exposure to acidic substances or abrasive cleaners can strip away protective finishes and leave metal vulnerable to rust. To tackle faucet rust and corrosion, you'll need a few tools and supplies. Mild detergent or dish soap, soft bristled brush or old toothbrush, vinegar or lemon juice, cloth or paper towels, baking soda, commercial rust remover optional, protective gloves, clear sealant or wax optional, water softener optional. To address rust and corrosion on a kitchen faucet, follow these steps. Identify the problem areas. Inspect the faucet thoroughly to locate areas affected by rust and corrosion. Common areas include the base, handles, spout, and aerator. Clean the faucet. Use a mild detergent or dish soap and water to clean the affected areas. You can use an old toothbrush or soft bristled brush to scrub away surface rust and corrosion. Rinse thoroughly with clean water. Afterward, apply vinegar or lemon juice. Both vinegar and lemon juice contain acids that can help dissolve rust and corrosion. Soak a cloth or paper towel in vinegar or lemon juice and wrap it around the affected areas. Let it sit for an hour or two to allow the acid to work on the rust. Scrub with baking soda. Make a paste using baking soda and water. Apply the paste to the rusted areas and scrub gently with a soft brush or sponge. Baking soda is mildly abrasive and can help remove stubborn rust without damaging the faucet's finish. Use a rust remover. If the rust is particularly stubborn, you can try using a commercial rust remover. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully and ensure proper ventilation when using these products. Prevent future rust. Once you've removed the rust and corrosion, take steps to prevent it from recurring. Keep the faucet dry. Wipe down the faucet after each use to prevent water from sitting on the surface and causing rust. Fix leaks promptly. Address any leaks in the faucet to prevent water from accumulating and causing corrosion. Apply a protective coating. Consider applying a clear sealant or wax to the faucet to provide an extra layer of protection against rust and corrosion. Use a water softener. If your water is particularly hard, consider installing a water softener to reduce mineral buildup and corrosion. Regular maintenance. Periodically inspect the faucet for signs of rust or corrosion and address any issues promptly to prevent them from worsening. Remember, identifying the root cause of the low pressure is key to finding the right solution. Try these steps systematically and hopefully you'll restore your faucet's healthy water flow. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on faucet rust and corrosion. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.